What if you could birth a business, not just built it? We're exploring an AI factory that does exactly that. Okay, so the main idea is that companies can be born on their own, not built by hand. This system promises a wild journey from just a thought to a real, working, even physical company. So think of it like a digital assembly line, but instead of cars, it's cranking out entire companies. The whole thing is broken down into 5 key phases, taking an idea from a spark to reality. All right, let's jump into phase 1, the spark. This is all about finding a solid idea to build on. So some agents spitball ideas, then another one gives a brutally honest go or no go. And this is cool. It's how the factory stops startups from making a classic mistake, building way too much. A special agent gets ruthless. It locks in a 1-week MVP, focusing only on what's absolutely necessary. Okay, blueprints locked. Now a whole team of AI agents starts building the company's entire digital presence. And this is brilliant. The marketing agent actually reads the code to write copy that converts, automatically. Then there's the multimedia agent. It helps ship 5 times more content, think videos and podcasts. And get this, it does it all in 70% less time than your typical creative agency. That's huge. So the business is built. Now, a whole new crew of agents takes over to actually run the thing. This virtual team, called IQ1E, handles it all, from product features to even running the fundraising process itself. Which brings us to the final and maybe the wildest phase of this whole process. This is where the virtual business literally comes alive and steps out into the real world. Yeah, this is the IQ1E tier. It lets the business's brain inhabit a robot, a drone, you name it. So that AI that ran your business online, it can now literally knock on your door, ready to work. And we're talking real-world jobs, greeting customers, managing inventory, or even on-site troubleshooting. So why does all this matter? Well, it boils down to 3 key things: speed, autonomy, and completeness. Basically, it takes you from an idea to a real product in a week, and it's totally hands-off. Which leaves us with one last, kind of mind-bending question. What would you build if your company could literally come alive?